She was just a girlfriend. Now, 2020, she's a wife.
What are you doing?
Nobody gon' do your body like me.
What's up, Ray Mob? It's your boy Kendi. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, it's Christmas. And we're gonna go open our gifts. I'm not gonna record me open my gifts. But I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna see what I got for Christmas. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so what's up, y'all? Just got done opening my gifts. And now, it's time to show y'all what I got for Christmas. So the first thing we have is we have Tyler Perry, the Oval poster, Law and Order, SVU. Take My Braxton, Get Your Life. K. Michelle, My Life. And the Braxtons. Then I got me a pair of Vapor Max, red and black. And y'all, my favorite thing of all that I got for Christmas. We're official vloggers. We have a new camera with the flip screen so I can finally see myself, because right now I can't see myself, so I'm probably looking ugly right now. But I have a new camera. I'm so excited. So right now, I'm finna get ready and open my new camera. We have the Sony CyberShot DSC HX80. Got a bunch of instructions. Register your product and transfer on the gift card, blah, blah, blah. We don't care for instructions. We care about the product. Here we are. So you guys, let me take it out and get ready and set it up and stuff and show you guys. Say to hey, the best friend, you guys. Best friend, say hello.
Hey.
Hi. So you guys, we have the camera right here. This is her. I don't know what I'm gonna name her. You're gonna have to wait. We're officially a vlogger. Like, you guys, we have a new camera. Like, guys.
Sam, what is it?
Girl, leave me alone.
No.
That's just Darius.
Tell him to go mind his own business about that. And I said, no camera. And I do it again.
What's up, y'all? As you guys can probably tell, the quality change. I am on the new vlog cap. Ooh, I got a pimple. Oh my god. Ooh. But you can tell the quality has changed. I just got done setting up my posters. Y'all, let's take a look at them. We have the Braxton sisters. We have K. Michelle, My Life. Take My Braxton, Get Your Life. Law and Order, SVU, my favorite, chat. My favorite of all time. Then we have the Oval, my other favorite show. And this is the whole view of my wall. Can't wait till I'm officially a producer and the shows that I created will be on the wall as well. But I think you're ready to take a shower. Then we're gonna be heading to my grandmother's house, and I will see you guys. Oh, we gotta put on the fit for the day. We gotta put on the Christmas fit, whatever we're gonna wear. I don't know. But so yeah, let's hop into that. Ooh, this pimple is so irritating. Let's go.
A few moments later.
What's up, YouTube? Yeah, so I'm in my robe. I got a robe. Better get ready to go get something to eat. Cause we're hungry and all the place open is Jay-Z Seafood and Wings. No promotion there. Look. Yeah, so we're finna get some food. We're dropping them off, and then we're getting food. Then we're gonna eat. I'm gonna sleep. Then we're gonna go to my grandmother's house and get my presents and stuff from there. Okay? All right. Merry Christmas. So we are back home, you guys. We have our food. I got me a. Where are these chicken nuggets? Look at how good that is. Like, look at God. Wanna hear it? So I'm going to eat, then go to sleep, and then we're going to head to my grandmother's house, okay? I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye! What's up, y'all? So, now, I'm dressed, look at the fit. This is the fit, champion shirt. We have the shoes. This is the shoes, you know, nothing serious. I just woke up. But look at the room though. Like, I just feel so amazing going in my room. But finna head there now. Finna go eat at my grandmother's house. And yo, let's go. What's up, y'all? We are here at my grandma's house. We're finna get ready and eat. Let's go into the living room. Here's Morgan.
Hey guys.
It's my grandmother. Be call your mom and see what she wants. Daddy now one of my dishes that I normally make is mac and cheese. Don't worry about it, guys. We're finna get ready and have a feast. I'll see y'all later. Bye. So we are here, you guys. We're finna have a feast.
I know you're not gonna vlog right now.
She Nataja's over there eating. As you guys know from last year, 2019, she was just a girlfriend. Now, 2020, she's a wife. Thank you. There go Morgan.
Period.
Eating per usual. Kamisha's on the phone.
There's some cranberry sauce if you want some.
So let's sit you guys up. And let's eat.
Your voice went low.
I know that's not what I can do.
Lemon pepper stepper, lemon pepper stepper, lemon pepper stepper, lemon pepper stepper.
Pumpkin pie.
Hey guys, we're getting ready to head to the house. We just got done eating and taking pictures. I just got done taking the pictures.
I was finna, never mind.
You just finna what?
Take it out.
Do that again? Show it to the people? No, you didn't do that. Show the people what you did.
Nah, I gotta keep it in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna watch. Are you here to see Madison? Hi, Madison.
I mean, D's. I want the D's.
What?
Come on.
The door.
I saw D and it was like the door was open. Who coming?
Sean and Morgan and his wife. Hey, Evan. How you doing? Merry Christmas. How you enjoy your Christmas? Your other nephew here. Yeah, and I got a camera for Christmas too. That's medicine. We're gonna go bother Maya. There's Maya. Hi Maya. Hi Maya. How are you?
Is that in the camera?
Yes, we have a vlog
Why are
camera.
you filming me?
We have a vlog camera. We have a vlog camera. Maya's running from the camera. Oh,
She showed hair. In the room.
so
filming me.
we're here. Hi Maya.
If you don't get that camera off of my face.
All right.
That's you recording.
I almost dropped you guys. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to the house and we're gonna end off this video. I know it's probably short because I haven't been vlogging like that, but hey, who cares? As long as I get a video out. It's been a video. I haven't had posted a video like months, but. So we're back home, you guys. Gonna get ready to end off the video. Hi, Deja. Look at the quality, though. That would have been. This outfit would be great for your fraternity to do, like, no thing. But you know, you guys just look. Look at that! Like, it's like a studio. Like, welcome to King D Nation Productions. We have produced Braxton Family Values, K Michelle My Life, Tamar Braxton Get Your Life, Law and Order SVU, and Tyler Perry The Oval. So yeah, life has been great. Bye. Have a safe drive home.
I need to,
Yeah, y'all just, this is my other wall. Has Michelle, Megan, Queen. Once I clean up a little bit, I'll do a room tour or whatever. So, yeah, they're getting ready to leave. So, I have on my robe again.
Holding a tray. It's about a connection with someone that's less fortunate and being grateful for all the
Eat,
things
sleep.
that we have. Go on. Never thought I'd say this, but it was nice.
Wait a minute. You guys spent time with strangers and actually did
So, yeah, today was a great day. Had fun. Morgan, say bye to the vlog. Say bye to the people.
Bye.
Well, you guys, this is the end of the Christmas vlog. Today was really short and simple. I know this video probably not long. I don't know. I gotta edit it and look. But, you know, just been going through a lot. My grandmother died last week, so her funeral is tomorrow. So, we will just see how long this video is. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace.